10 News Weather Authority from the JES Weather Center.
Well, we have a couple patches of drizzle and or very light showers out across portions of Pulaski, Montgomery, Roanoke, Franklin, Henry, and Patrick counties. If you were to kind of draw a circle right near, that's where we have just a couple of sprinkles happening right now. Otherwise, skies are mostly cloudy across many of our backyards. Now, the rest of tonight, as the night goes on, you're going to notice that by each passing hour, we're going to have a little more fog developing. So fog will be an issue for some of us, not all of us, but for some of us heading out the door tomorrow morning. Otherwise, it looks like tomorrow morning are going to be mostly cloudy for a little bit before we start to break out in a little more sunshine by late morning. Any sun we see will destabilize the atmosphere enough where we're going to have a little frontal boundary moving in from the west. In the conjunction with that sunshine that we do see, we're going to have a better chance tomorrow for some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms developing in the afternoon and evening hours, roughly between about 1 p.m. and about 11 p.m. tomorrow. That's our best chance to see these widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. And certainly it looks like the mountains will have a better chance for rain than the Piedmont. That's not to say you folks Lynchburg and Southside will get out of this scot-free. It just means that the highest likelihood to see these widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will come in the NRV and Highlands. Any showers will again taper off tomorrow evening, and then it looks like Thursday is going to start with some fog. Also going to start mostly cloudy before we break out in more sunshine during the afternoon hours of Thursday. And at that point, we're also going to have the chance for more hit or miss thunder showers. Chance for rain tomorrow about 40 to 50%. Chance for rain on Thursday about 30 to 40%. So again, chance for rain does go up a little bit for us here Wednesday and Thursday. Chance for rain then goes down on Friday. Here's the latest on Erin. Category 2 hurricane, winds of 105 miles per hour. It wasn't that long ago this thing was a Cat 5, moving to the north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. This is a very large storm, and it is expected to bisect at least the center of the storm between the U.S. and Bermuda, and then eventually head up to the North Atlantic as we go into this weekend. Now, this storm is going to get close enough to the U.S. where it will likely bring some rain and wind, especially to the Outer Banks. We could certainly see some outer bands impacting Cape Hatteras as soon as tomorrow, if not tomorrow night. And we're going to have wind gusts in excess of perhaps 30, 40, even 45 miles per hour in eastern North Carolina as well. Also going to be dealing with some massive wave heights. Anywhere along the Carolina coastline, especially North Carolina, you could have wave heights anywhere between roughly 6 and 26 feet high, with those highest wave heights likely along the Outer Banks where they're going to be anywhere from about 10 to 26 feet high. So these waves are going to be enormous out across the Outer Banks as we go into Wednesday night, Thursday, and Thursday night. By the time Friday and Saturday roll around, the waves are still going to be high, but they're not going to be nearly as high as they will be when the actual center of the hurricane is at its closest to eastern parts of North Carolina. All right, let's also talk about other things going on in the tropics, and we're tracking two other systems. One just has come off of Africa, only about a 30% chance developing here over the next 5 to 7 days. Another storm system in the central Atlantic, about a 60% chance of developing here over the next 3 to 7 days. This one actually could become Fernand here as we head into the weekend, but notice the track. The track actually has it going maybe even further east than Erin, perhaps heading even a little bit closer to Bermuda. So if Fernand does form out of this guy right here, chances are it will stay out to sea, which is very, very good news, or at least stay away from the U.S. May impact Bermuda. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. 64 right now in Hot Springs, 68 Wytheville, 73 Roanoke, also into Lynchburg. And as we go zone by zone for tomorrow, highs very seasonable for this time of year. 86 in Roanoke, also in Lynchburg, 87 Danville, 83 in Blacksburg and in the NRV. 69 is your low tonight, mostly cloudy, fog may form. Otherwise, we're pretty muggy. And then tomorrow, 86 with skies partly to at times mostly cloudy. Lower chances for rain and a little cooler on Friday, highs about 80. A little bit on the unsettled side this weekend, but not a washout. About a 40 to 50% chance for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon and then again on Sunday afternoon. However, behind that front, next week, Monday, Tuesday, look really pretty with more sunshine and cooler temperatures on the way.